Welcome back, guys. I've got a new JDM K24 here for a project you guys have not seen on the channel yet. So let's show you the process of going to get that and a new tool that I used along the way. Ladies and germs, I join you here in the hot summer month of...
Oh wait, it's October.
It's Texas and it's October. Aww. Sad noises. Anyways, we are here at the bed of the tundra because I need to get rid of some shit, including my old 350Z motor and some wheelie bent wheels. Alright, I'll go sit in timeout for that one.
Believe it or not, jail, right away.
As well as a couple other various items. Now, that's a lot of shit to haul around, and I don't really want to be spewing things all over the highway. You know, the only thing I want to spew is
Tire shreds and diesel smoke.
That's right, the Tundra's a diesel now. So our friends over at TECOOM, TECOOMI? I really want to call it TECOOMI. Our friends over at TECOOM sent me this nice truck cargo net, and I want to share this special experience with you guys today. Let's unbox this thing and take a look at it, because I'm about to install the net. Let's open this bad boy up and use the best knife in the world, which is whatever you have on you. I'm excited for what's about TECOOM.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Clip style straps here with a metal strap, or with a metal hook and a plastic hook. And here are those ratchet straps here, with a nice rubberized metal hook here. Nice durable finish on these metal parts, including a carabiner end here as well too. Looks like we have 4 of those in total, and then 2 of these straps here. Looks to be a nice bag. More fun TECOOM branding. Isn't it so cute? Look at it.
Look at it, it's gorgeous.
Nice set of instructions here too. Nice that it has a bag. I'll say that much. Cool, alright. Oh, look. Lexus December to Remember event. Let's undo this. Slowly now. Sensually now. Oh, very cool. So this material is like a rubberized kind of plastic, it seems. There we go. More TECOOM. A little liability warning for you. But as long as you pat it down and say, this thing's not going anywhere. I mean, you're not legally at fault. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy set up. Let's take a look at this with everything strapped down. Now, admittedly, an engine is not exactly probably an ideal usage case for this, but I think it should have no problem holding this down in place. We're just going down the highway, and I want to make sure that, you know, if we hit a dip, this thing's not going to be flying around. Nothing's really going to be flying out. So yeah, seems like a pretty good little solution here. Now, I'll have to do another test in the future with more stuff in the bed, but for now, this will work well. Alright guys, as you can see, we have safely made it here. No problem using that new cargo net. It's really nice. Looks like it held everything in place just perfectly, and that was about a 25-minute drive on the highway, so give that a thumbs up. While we're out in the area, let's go pick up something that I've been needing for a new project. Alright guys, actually dropped off that other motor and now we have a new one in its place here. This is a JDM K24 that I just picked up for the project. But CargoNet did a great job with the last one, so I'm going to use it again here and should have no problem at all. Hey guys, that's going to do it for this one, but thanks again for tuning in and watching. Now I will leave a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in grabbing one of those cool cargo nets for yourself. Make sure and like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any guess what this motor is for, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.